So,
Wow. But it's just don't stop. In the United States, over less than 13 hours and nearly 1,600 miles apart, two mass shootings this weekend gone. 29 dead, 53 injured, and some critically injured. Saturday morning, a gunman opened fire in a crowd at an El Paso, Texas retail area that is popular among both local residents and shoppers from across the southern border with Mexico. Then, early Sunday morning, a shooter attacked a crowd outside a popular bar in Dayton, Ohio, as patrons were having some fun. They say one suspect was in custody in the El Paso case, and apparently in Dayton, they killed the gunman.
yeah. So the El Paso, I want to call him a gentleman, but I don't want to use that word. The suspect there has been charged, I think, with capital murder, and they're treating his case as a domestic terrorism case based on information that they found. He wrote a manifesto that essentially spoke of his disdain for immigrants and the invasion of immigrants, particularly Mexicans. So he obviously went on a mission. The second man, that's a gentleman from Dayton,
Ohio, yeah.
yes, was killed by police, but he killed his sister in that shootout. So she was among his victims. So they're wondering, are still trying to piece together the motive behind that. But just terrible. It is terrible. 24 hours, 29 people, 53 injured. You're just going to the mall. Are you going to Walmart? Are you going to have a drink at a bar? You don't know what's going to happen when. Taking us right back to this discussion about gun laws in the States and, you know, what, if anything, will be done about it.
And then amazingly, the president says hate has no place in our country, and we're going to take care of it. Mr. President.
Yeah. Moving on.
Moving on.
And boy, I feel this one to my heart. TY. You guys would be familiar, many of you, with veteran broadcaster Tony Young. Tony Young passed away on the weekend. Was it Saturday?
Well, I need to pass out when I heard.
Could not believe, because I did not even know that TY was.
Well, I knew he wasn't well, but I didn't think he was that unwell. I almost passed out when I was
Apparently
told.
he was off air for a good little while,
Yeah.
and he went back to work a couple of weeks ago,
Yeah.
posted a message about the fact that he wasn't well and he was happy to be back, and he wanted people to come and spend some time with him, but here we are.
I didn't hear until yesterday, and boy, it really knocked me when I heard someone who I worked with, someone who very close to me, someone who would give me a call every now and again just to say hi, just to say he was watching something that I did. Boy, that one really knocked me. Really knocked me.
At the time of his passing, he had been working at KLAS, but he worked with us at JBC many moons ago, and had spent decades in media, and there has just been an outpouring of love.
He was just a
for
wonderful
TY.
person.
Yes,
He was just
and a man of faith, so we
it was
can
just
rest easy knowing where
he was
where
just a
his soul
really,
was.
really nice person,
Yeah,
very
man.
kind, really nice person. Wow. So
Very sad.
condolences to his family and to his co-workers, and why? That one that really roughed me up.
Rest in peace, Sir TY.
Yeah, that one that really roughed me up.
Yeah.
All right, Pan Am Games, the Jamaican football team finally won a game last evening. So I think we play for 5th place. The ladies will play for 7th place. But Yona Night Wisdom got a medal. I was watching them last night trying to get another medal, but didn't make it last night. But won another medal, or won a medal for Jamaica.
A silver medal, right?
Yep, historic. The 1 meter springboard diving competition. He says, a great day for it, he tweeted. First time a Jamaican had ever won a medal at the Pan American Games in the diving competition. So fantastic. Really, really good. And then, I guess, if you're into track and field, the fun starts now with Mrs. Fraser Price and company.
What's
They're
that?
Pan American Games.
Oh, starts when?
Today, actually
Oh,
started yesterday, I think.
what? Most of it.
But they're doing like the marathons and
Okay.
before it
Okay.
gets to the fun part.
Watch out. The
All right.
marathon is the fun part for a lot of people.
Yeah, that's what I'm
So
saying.
the fun part has already begun.
No, that's what I say, if you're into that, because some people like boxing, some people would like the swimming, the diving, but some of us, most of us, even
When
if
it
you
for
don't
track and
like it, yeah,
field.
you will still sit and watch the track and field. So
Yeah.
there you go.